Dear students, today we are going to study about pressure on solid and gases with the help of few examples. Pressure on solids. Air pressure is exerted on all the objects kept in air. When a weight is kept on a solid, pressure is exerted on it. This pressure depends on the value of the weight and contact area between the two. We have seen a vegetable vendor carrying a basket on her head. She keeps a twisted piece of a cloth on the head below the basket. How does it help vendor to carry a heavy load of vegetables? It is possible because it increases the surface area, and apparently when surface area is more, the pressure decreases, by which the woman does not feel much pressure in her head. If much pressure given to the head, then the head will pain. We cannot stand at one place for a long time, but we can sleep on a place for 8 or more hours because on standing we put our entire body weight onto a small surface area, the sole of our feet. The force acting is much higher in that scenario. When you are sprawled across your bed, your body weight is distributed more or less evenly across a much larger surface area, lower surface to be exerted. A long flat ski are used for skiing on a ice because long flat ski means the surface area of a ski is larger, and hence more the area, less is the pressure exerted on ice. So long flat ski is used to reduce the pressure as well as to keep a balance while skiing. Pressure of a liquid. In order to understand the concept of a pressure of a liquid, we took a plastic bottle and 10 centimeter long piece of a glass tube on which a rubber balloon is fitted, warmed up one end of the glass tube and gently pushed in the bottle at about a 5 centimeter from the bottom. To avoid a water leakage, we applied a molten wax on the side of the glass tube and filled water slowly in the bottle and observed how the balloon inflated. We found that presence of water acted on the side of the balloon as well. In second activity, we took a plastic bottle and pursed it with a thick needle at point 1, 2, 3 and filled water in the bottle up to full height. We found that water jets were emerging from the hole at the top, fold closest to the bottle. The jet from the lowest hole fold furthest from bottle. Also jets coming out from the two holes at the same level fold at the same distance from the bottle because the pressure increases as the depth of the liquid increases. Gas pressure. If a balloon is inflated by a filling air by mouth, it inflates all the sides. If pinhole is created in the balloon, air leaks out and the balloon does not inflate fully. It is realized that a liquid gas also exerts a pressure on the wall of a container in which it is enclosed. All gases and liquids have a common name, fluid. Fluids in a container exert pressure from within on the walls and the bottom of the containers. A fluid enclosed in a container exerts its pressure equally in all directions at a point within the fluid. Atmospheric pressure. Air surrounds the earth from all sides. This layer of air is called atmosphere. The atmosphere exists to about a 16-kilometer height. It further extends up to about 400 kilometer in a very diluted form. The pressure created due to air is called the atmospheric pressure. Imagine that a very long hollow cylinder of a unit sectional area is standing on the surface of the earth and it contains air. Weight of this air is the force applied in the direction of the center of the earth. This means that atmospheric pressure is the ratio of the weight divided by the area of the surface. The air pressure at the sea level is called 1 atmospheric pressure. Air pressure decreases as one goes in the height from the sea level. 1 atmosphere is equal to 101 multiplied by 10 raised to 3 Pascal is equal to 1 bar is equal to 10 raised to 3 m bar, where 1 m bar is equivalent to 10 raised to 2 hectopascal. The atmospheric pressure at a point in a air is equal from all sides. We constantly bear the atmospheric pressure on our heads. However, the cavities in our body are also filled with air. Arteries and veins are filled with the blood. Therefore, we do not get crushed under the water and live to the atmospheric pressure. As the pressure is balanced, the Earth's atmospheric pressure decreases with the height from the sea level.